It's raining.
Mama, and Papa.
It's raining. My problem.
So where else did you go? You went to the beach pa. Beach, swimming ikaw doon. Swimming.
That was swish.
Mas grabe kwento niya. What about the river? You went to the river, di ba? The river, there's a big, big
No, it's a big
No?
rain.
Oh, you didn't swim in the river?
No, it's
No,
rain.
you didn't let you swim in the river.
Oh, you
Oh.
were trying,
What about fishing? You went fishing, di ba, with Papa?
And Papa Dora.
Oh, na Papa, fishing kayo. Shoo! Kuha kayo ng fish.
It's you, Papa.
Did you get a fish?
I think so.
Matusok si Mami man.
Yes, Papa.
What about friends? Did you have friends there in Philippines?
Let's try
Kuya.
Papa.
Yay! Papa fishing. Where's your kuya there in Philippines? Kuya Atoy. Say hi, Kuya Atoy. Kuya Amir.
Good.
Gabing kwento niya, guys. Gabing kwento.